Here, this is one of my little things I'm gonna be doing to one of my 79 to 82 Tonka front end loaders. I just got through priming them. I'm not gonna go crazy on far as the paint and everything. And my little nieces and nephew helped me out there, and then they decide, hey, just a little bit, or I can't push the button on the thing, and I'm going back inside. It's naturally what kids do. It's not to be unexpected. But anyway, painted all this up. Get in there. Put there and spray paint there. Here we go. See here. Said I'm not going to go too crazy as far as getting the rest of that flaky paint out or nothing like that. So that goes in front of that. This goes right here. And these kind of connect, these are connectors. So, yeah. Basically got it mapped out like that. And of course you got the thing that goes on the back there. The well, actually this goes up a little bit further. Actually this is the wrong way. Sure is. That goes like that. And you got the black thing, the grill. That goes right here. Somewhere in there. Anyway, it goes in there. So there you go. That's basically it. Got this loader in yesterday, which was Monday. Now it's Tuesday morning. But this one seems to be a whole lot better shape than the other one was. And I just, as you seen in my other clip there, I got through priming that one. So it's exactly like this one right here, except for the tires that I'm going to put on it, and the rods, and the connectors here. I'm putting I think I'm going to put the old connectors on actually, and I'm sorry, not connectors, but the bucket. The bucket's going to be from the 91 to 96 model. The bucket on that I'm putting on is the 79 to 82 model. So 91 96 model on the 79 to 82 model. Anyway, this is a really nice loader here. I mean, I tell you, there's some rust on it, of course, and things like that. And let's see, I think it's called Metal Rescue. I think I'm gonna get me some of that and set it in there and let it get this rust off of it and everything. But the thing that struck me most of all about these, other than this, is how well this Tonka emblem kind of stuck in there. And you can see where it says Tonka, and you got a rights reserved R there. And also on the bottom, it's not all that rusty. And you can see back up in there where the cab, little tabs for the cab, is kind of twisted in so they won't come out. Yeah, so just have to take some pliers and twist them the right way if I ever want to get in there. And the very top here, where this bolt's connected to, it's a cap hat. So yeah, that's, if I ever need to get in there and disconnect it, I got to take the top of the cab off of it by twisting those tabs straight. See, they're kind of crooked, they've been twisted in like that. And of course, it's got all kind of stamps on it too. You see, I think is the part number for the whenever they put it together, they get part numbers. 54280. That's E right there. And let's see here. This is 54220. And of course, you can see through that a little bit if you just hold it right. That's what, no, it's 05. 54250. That's what that is. It's backwards. 54250 is this part, this hinging part, whatever that is. And let's see some more numbers. Pictures are from the Tonka name there. And on the bucket, it's got 54320. And on the connectors, it's got 54340. 54320 and 543-280 and all that. And it just gives you a list of numbers for the parts. So I suppose if we look at this part of it on the upper inside of the area, it's got a part number on it as well. So it's pretty cool, these loaders and everything. When I get the money, I might get a Tonka dump just to have it. I remember looking at one on eBay here, and it was like the one I had when I was a little boy, and I thought, yeah, I'd like to have that, you know. My son's not really in it. Bunch of dirt back here. I might take it to the car wash tomorrow and pressure wash it and get all that dirt off of it. There's some inside there. But I think really, for the most part, it's a really nice piece. Other than a little bit of rust you got here, which you could probably take off. But like I said, a car wash. Get some, that dust, not really rust. But just dip this in the metal rescue. That's what it's called. You put this concentrate that's environmentally friendly. Put it in a gallon of water, and it should take this rust off. They also got metal rescue gel. So let's see how it goes. And let's see, it's got a number on this. I don't see one right off. Thought I might have had a number on this thing here. So that's what lifts the bucket up and down. So tomorrow, or maybe if the next day or next few days when I put the other one together, kind of got to see how these things go in here. And see, it says right there 54340. Anyway, yeah, pretty cool. Well, I thought you might want to take a look at that. And that's pretty interesting. And you got the little top hat caps on there, and these are the ones you take off on the right side to whatever. If you want to get to the access to the body itself, and just take those off and leave the other ones on. Anyway, pretty interesting machine there. How about that? Very nice. And it came so quick too. And these are hat caps. That kind of goes into this thing here. That's what it rides on. And then you got the connectors ride on the other side. So it's pretty neat.